feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Yo, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Let's get the music going here. All right, we got Jeremy. Jeremy first, as always. Good morning. What's up, man? Sean Tufts. Hey, good morning, man. Roostar, Cat, M-Dub. What's up? What's up? There we go. Does that sound good? There we go. Does that sound good? Jonathan, what's up, man? All right. So if you take a look at oil, for the pack trade group that's watching some of the trades that we're taking already this morning, oil kind of just smashed through that theoretical take profit, so I canceled that order. There we go. Had to switch that music there. It's a little too hype. But yeah. So taking a look at NASDAQ. So if you guys make sure every Sunday you kind of set a little alert, I'm going to be, or just click that notifications on the bottom when you subscribe to the channel. So that way every time I post a video you get notified. Because every Sunday going forward, if I can, I'm going to start posting my little weekly outlooks publicly on YouTube as well. I've been doing it with my pack trade group. This will be week 2, but I thought it'd be a cool idea to also get some content out on the YouTube channel as far as just posting like what I'm looking at. So that's something that's going to be every Sunday here moving forward. And then obviously Mondays, YouTube live streams. So what's up, everyone? Make sure you hit that like button coming in here. Welcome. We got 23 watching already. Good morning, everyone. But taking a look at what I said yesterday from my previous video. So if you haven't, make sure you go watch that. I talk about what I'm looking at here, but pretty much I kept these little labels here because this is very important. We had a really nice bearish grab where we grabbed this liquidity to the upside. We failed. We did it again. These are the 4-hour from the 4-hour chart, by the way. And we rejected, made it a lower high. So if I were to make an educated guess on where we're most likely heading going into market open or early this week, I can definitely see NASDAQ and US30 short-term bearish, long-term continuing bullish. We just need to make this healthy market structure to the upside. We're constantly making higher highs, higher lows. So if we want to just kind of correct just for a little bit, just to like, again, make this normal bullish market structure, that's what I kind of see going on. So again, we can definitely have a little bit of a correction. So for me, dropping down to the 1-minute time frame, these are my indicators that I use to trade my strategy with. Let me turn this off for now. And let me turn, let's see, do I got velocity on? There we go. Let me add this to the entire layout. So that way you can see what I'm seeing here. Turn sessions on, there we go. All right. Bring up the likes. Exactly, Jeremy, exactly. Post this here. Gibbo, hey, good morning, man. Danny, what's up? Long time, Danny. Yeah, for those of you that don't know that are watching this, within the pack trade group, we trade live there all the time. And here recently, Danny, I don't know if Bowie's watching as well. Bowie's our London trader now. Danny is hosting future sessions. So what you see here on the chart, this is what we trade on the future side with Top Step. I love Top Step as far as just the futures platform. I don't like a lot of prop firms that do the trailing drawdown type of stuff, but Top Step does it a little different. So that's why I like it. And they're like, you know, the name brand for the futures prop firm. So I like them, and I've been trading with it. We've been having a lot of success with this model lately. So we're just every morning up early, getting into the futures here. We did take one trade this morning with natural gas. We did get stopped out. No big deal. It happens. And then the crude oil trade here, it hit that theoretical take profit. Just never got a nice tag in, but it's all right. We live to trade another day, baby. It's all about risk management. Where are we at here? There we go. Let me turn this is my bot that I'm working on making with how I trade. Get sessions back on here. There we go. These are my markings from the weekly Outlook video. Pocket Aces, what's up, man? You're just hopping in here. Make sure you let me know, are you trading this morning? What are you trading? Are you trading, are you within the pack trade group, or are you new? Again, we're just kind of been a really slow morning, honestly. We got a little bit of volatility here with natural gas. It broke out of this little range. And again, all these indicators that you see on my chart, they're all mine that we have created for the pack trade group. If you want to join the Discord, link is in the description. I think we have like 1 or 2 spots that actually opened up recently. So if you want to check that out, link is in the description there. But yeah, not a lot of volatility. Oil moved a little bit, but it's already just absolutely blasted through where our take profit would be, so I canceled the order. But everything else, ES, I think it looks like we're just waiting for market open here. Let's see, do we got any news? What we got this morning? We got nothing. We don't really have a lot of financial news this morning, so should be just a lot of nice organic market open price action. Pocket says I'm chilling, I'm new. Hey, welcome everyone. Hey, we got 29 viewers. Let's bump up that viewer count, share it around, share to your friends. Hey, listen, if you're new here, we watch and share what live trading is all about. Not none of that influencer bullcrap, you know, nothing but wins. You know, guys, this is the real side of trading. This is real trading. We don't fluff it up. We take losses just like we take wins. It's all about risk management. It's all about your psychology. And at the Pack Trade Group, we focus on what matters: psychology, discipline, and consistency. If you don't master these 3 things right here, I don't care what strategy you use. I don't care what model you use. I don't care what indicator you use. You will never be profitable, and you'll never get what trading can give you if you don't master your psychology, your discipline, and consistency. I don't care how unsexy that sounds. I don't care how just not fun that sounds. It's the boring, unsexy stuff that makes the most money in this world. We just hit the 31, so yeah, if you have any friends, anybody that you're like, you know what, I want to actually see what real trading looks like, which is pretty boring, honestly. Once you got the model and the strategy, you just wait for the setup, because that's what real trading is, not clicking the buy and sell button 1,000 times. You don't even really have to stare at the charts. You know, I tell people on Discord all the time, if I wasn't streaming / sharing my screen, you know, live trading in front of people, I literally wait for alerts and then I go back to work. Like I do work, you know, for this case, right? I just wait for these alerts to hit. Same thing for my other trading model. Just wait for the alerts and then see if I like the trade. If I like the trade, make the decision. That's it. Sean says, I'm new, still trying to educate myself. Absolutely, man. Take your time. The biggest thing that a lot of beginner traders think is They want to rush it. They want to make money right off the bat. And if I can tell you one thing, Sean, this is not financial advice. This isn't singular financial advice or tailored advice or anything like that. Trading is risky, but go at your own speed, man. So many people treat trading like it's just an absolute casino, which if you want to treat trading as a casino, I mean, it's a free market. Do what you want. But if you really want to get money out of trading, and if you really want to build a profession and a skill that you can scale to no means, to endless means, I guess you could say, take your time. This is just like any ordinary business. You build a solo business doing this. You scale your income doing this. What business do you know of that makes money right off the bat? What business do you know of that makes money in the first year? Right? Like, it's the same thing. But again, people think just because it's easy to click a buy and sell button that you just can magically make money instantly in trading, and it's just so far from the case. And also, please make sure you choose the content that you choose to ingest when educating yourself. Right? There's a lot of grifters, a lot of fake gurus, that type of stuff out there, and it can definitely get really overwhelming, especially when you see people quote unquote only winning and you're still losing, which is normal. It's normal to lose in trading, and you're just like, what am I doing wrong? You may not be doing anything wrong. You may actually be trading, and the person you're seeing always winning, quote unquote, is just not showing the losses that come with that. Alpha says oil TP. Yeah, oil hit the theoretical TP there. It never tagged me in. I don't know. Did anybody take this trade and actually get tagged in from the pack trade group? Carlos Bomdia. What's Bomdia mean? You have to educate me. We're gonna get another little break here on oil. Now for US30 and NASDAQ, we still need to go all the way down here. So I'm gonna set my alerts because we're now inside of my trade window. But we just need to set these alerts here because we need to break a new daily low or a new daily high for me to even entertain this. Maybe until market open, which is about 40 minutes from now. That's why I'm just primarily looking at futures right now. Good morning in Portuguese. Aha! Oh, Alpha! Nice! Alpha got a full take profit on oil. Okay, cool. Anybody else? Anybody else hit that? That was a good trade. It was like a perfect no drawdown trade right there. I didn't get tagged in. This was my trade right here, so it missed my entry by like 2 points. 2 ticks. Aha, see, I'm learning something new. Good morning in Portuguese. Bom dia. Now I'm going to say bom dia every time. Every time I see you, Carlos, I'm going to say bom dia. So that way, if I ever go to Portugal, I can blend right in, right? Still got to figure out your oil strategy. I have so much homework to catch up on once my real life calms down. Hey, it's all good, man. Hey, just like I was telling Sean earlier, you gotta just take it at your own speed. None of this is in a rush. You know, a lot of people think, man, I gotta start trading now because I gotta start making money. But you gotta understand, like, just like how a business, there comes a time when you just don't deserve to be making money right now, right? Like, if you just come out with a product, you have no testimonials, you have nothing, like you just have a product, but you have nothing. Do you deserve to make money? No, like you have to go and do the work to build the customers, to build the demand, to make the product in need, you know. And then once you put in the work and you put in everything in the systems, then you deserve to start cash flowing. So a lot of people think right when they're learning how to trade that they just need to make money. They're like, oh, I'll learn while I earn. That's the most dumbest thing I've ever heard. Like, learn and then earn. Like, you can't. How are you going to manage to do both? Because as you're sitting here trying to make money, all you're going to be doing is stressing about the money that you're trying to make. So it's going to it's going to impede on your learning ability. And then vice versa, when you're trying to learn, you're sitting here distracted by the money that you're trying to make. Like, you're never going to effectively and efficiently learn. You're just going to be all over the place, spreading yourself super thin, making yourself stressed out and overwhelmed, and go crazy mentally. And again, it all falls back to psychology, discipline, and consistency. You got to have the discipline to say, I'm going to give myself 3, 4, 5 months, I don't care how long it takes, to get this stuff before I even risk my own money. You know, don't risk your own money if you're not ready to take the exam yet, you know? And that is why 10% of the people in the world is actually making money in trading. It's not that trading is hard. Trading is not difficult. It's not difficult to wake up every day, look at the model that you trade, wait for the setup to happen. It's not difficult at all. The difficult part is managing your emotions, your psychology, and allowing the trade to play out even when you're in a little bit of drawdown. Even this, right? I told you guys, this morning I'm starting out this week with a loss so far. This was my only trade so far for the week. Tagged into my short, and it just came up, hit stop loss, and then it came right back. Like, this kills people. Like, it is annoying. It's absolutely annoying to watch your stop loss get hit, just to then get right back into either into profits or, you know, close to it. But what's the alternative, right? You got to ask yourself that. What's the alternative? Do I quit? Is it something that I did? No, it's just a loss. Losses are normal, but people cannot handle losing, because every part of trading that makes you a successful trader involves going against your human instincts. Why do we hate losing? Because we associate losing in our caveman brain to not surviving. And why do we hate sitting on our hands instead of waiting for a trade to happen? Because we, in our caveman brain and our human instincts, associate constantly moving and doing stuff with productivity, and productivity equals survival, because we're hunting or gathering or doing something. It kills us, and we think we're lazy when we just sit on our hands waiting for the market to give us a setup. But again, you have to go against those human instincts. You trading velocity? Yeah, I'm trading velocity, just waiting on a setup. We're kind of just ranging right now with US30 and NASDAQ. I mean, look at this. We're just waiting for either a high or a low to be broken. So I got my alert set. That's why I'm sitting here on my futures account, just waiting for a potential setup to happen with any of these. But absolutely, I'm waiting. I'm trading velocity. We just got to wait and see. Not that it's hard, just want to take some time. Yeah, absolutely, take your time, man. Carlos says, nice, but we first got to do a wolf meeting in Brazil. Yes, we got to do a meetup in Brazil. I'd love to go to Brazil. One day at a time, Roostar. Market has been here for over 100 years. We'll be here tomorrow and the day after. Yes, it's how you got to treat it, man. Like literally, if you guys ever watch the video that I made on how to scale, well, it doesn't really apply to because my Forex funds is currently under lawsuit, but you can still do it with other prop firms. You just take it one account at a time. Once you build a system, understand how to trade your system in a systematic way, and let your psychology allow you to do that. It may take you 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. It may take you a year. I don't know. Everybody learns different. Everybody has different motivations, different whys, different reasons why they're doing stuff that influence them to learn at a different speed. It all is different. But once you find, and everybody knows, right? Don't lie to yourself and say, "Oh yeah, I know," and then you're still going to go and fail and break plans and stuff like that. But once you really understand and really know, just take one. You know, you don't have to get 20,000 different prop firms. Just get a small prop firm. Get the smallest there is. Get a 10K. Then you'd be like, "Well, Austin, I can't make money." You're not trying to make money right now. Even I tell people this all the time. Even your first prop firm, you will not change your life. No one can tell me that. I don't care if you're in a third world country. I don't care if you're in a first world country. I don't care what situation you're in. Your first prop account that you get funded will not change your life. You have to get out of that mentality. And until you get out of that mindset that first funded account is going to change your life, you will not be profitable long term. You will make mistakes and you will fail and you will lose those accounts, because what's going to happen is, objectively, can $1,000 turn your life around in some countries? Absolutely. But you are going to keep that psychological mindset that this account is going to be the make or break of your life right now, of your financial situation. And when you put that amount of stress on you, when you put that kind of energy out into the world and into your mind when you're sitting here on the charts, you are going to make emotional decisions. Your psychology is going to be all over the place. You can't do that. You know, so stop thinking that these prop accounts are going to change your financial situation in a month, in a quarter, in a year. They're not. But once you build a couple of them, then you can start focusing on scaling income versus scaling your psychology. Hey, doctor, what's up, man? You'll make money in trading when you need it the least. Chasing money 100% guarantees your failure. Yeah, no, see, doctor said exactly what I was saying. Someone on the internet. Yes. If you are chasing, it doesn't even have to be with trading. When you constantly chase money, you will always get outran. When you were sitting here always trying to find the quick buck, trying to do all this and that and make money here and chase money here, you're going to get just devoured by money. But when you have your whys, again, the unsexy stuff, the cliche stuff, the cheesy stuff, when you have your whys, when you have all that stuff, that is so much more powerful than money. And that's why I don't even like, the only time I break my trading rules is if I do it by accident, like if I make a technical error. That's it. Other than that, like, dude, I could take no trades for a week if I don't see a setup. And I'm perfectly fine, because my whys and why I'm doing this is way more important than a short-term ego-driven gratification trade. very slow morning, man. Got an NQ. Oh no. My indicator broke. Oh, that's because I was on the 1 minute. There we go. Now I gotta delete all these. There we go. Let's see. 7 to 8. There we go. How did you fix that NAS one? You got to make sure. I was on the 1 hour time frame instead of the 5 minute, so the indicator will break if, like, see, watch, if I go to like the 1 hour or something, like a higher time frame that's not optimized for, it'll give this little error. So just make sure you're on the correct time frame. Sometimes it'll just lag out if you do that. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I had to hop off here for a second. All right, we're getting a little bit close to the daily high on NASDAQ, so that's a good thing for velocity. Oh man, natural gas is pumping. Look at that. ES is getting there. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like ES was close, but then it rejected off the range here. We've been having a really rangy morning today. Looks like natural gas may be a setup here. I'll go ahead and create my limit order. Hey, 36 viewers. Welcome, everyone. Hope y'all are enjoying the stream. If you get value from it, make sure you hit that like button. Let me know if you have any questions. What are you trading? Are you trading today? Are you still learning? Let's go, Naz. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. I would like to see either US30 or NASDAQ break the high, because then that would fall in line with my overall higher time frame, outlook this week of potentially breaking to the downside there. But yeah, I do got my order set here for natural gas. That was a crazy pump there. All right, looks like we are in a natural gas long. Sorry guys, I'm trying to take care of something else here on top of this. Oh, looks like ES actually did break. So let's see if I can squeeze in this limit order here. There we go. Hey, sorry about that, guys. I was dealing with some stuff, but we look like we're looks like ES and natural gas are doing pretty well here. I missed out on the US30 trade, but it's okay. Missed out on both of these. Sorry about that, guys. I seen everyone was asking, is Austin muted or what? All right. Hit a full take profit on ES. That was about a $680 win there. Still kind of floating at entry on natural gas, and I missed US30. Let me know in the chat who got that ES win. I need to see the chat. I need to blow up. Give me some positivity this morning. Blow up my chat with some profits here. I know some of you guys took it. That was a beautiful trade right there. Let's go. Daniel, $730. I think that's about what I made too. That was a nice win. Sending you all the positive vibes. Appreciate it, man. Danny says, boom, nice. No real velocity trade yet, though. Been looking at NASDAQ. NASDAQ is still just kind of floating around. Roostar says, even I got an ES win. Still not sure if my entries are right. Not sure how to check the P&L on Tradeovate. Go on your Top Step account, Roostar. Log into your Top Step. Let it let the trade in the system refresh for a bit, and then it'll show you your actual P&L and all that stuff, and your analytics. MDub says, I got ES. Nice. Yeah, I don't want to FOMO into ES. I mean, it kind of sucks because this was a really good dollar cost average entry rejection there. But also, I'm not taking NASDAQ because it blew through the theoretical take profit, so NASDAQ's done for the day. But yeah, I just don't want to put a limit order here and FOMO in. I would just rather miss it and say, you know what, I'm writing it off. For US30 though, I need this liquidity to be taken here. Nice. Snipey says ES for the win. Heck yeah. Yeah, that was a beautiful trade, man. Again, shout out to Danny for discovering this this entry model. Absolutely love it. I take zero credit. So what you guys, if you're new here and you're not like a part of the pack trade group, this indicator is something I made. It's called range break. And then Danny, one of the pack members, he studied range break and made his own entry model, which is hidden inside of the pack trade group. So if you want to learn it, you got to be a part of the pack trade group. We got all these notifications going off. Yeah, Matthew. We hit TP there. It like smashed through TP pretty quickly. Just depending on where you had your TP at, but yeah, it hit pretty quick. Hello.
Hi.
All right, so for ES, that definitely smashed through anybody's take profit that didn't already hit there. Still about halfway to take profit on natural gas. Oh, no ES alpha? Oh man. Yeah, I feel the same way, Alpha, but with the Dow Jones here. I feel like if we want to, we can push higher. Just because I didn't get into it. We've just been really flat, man. Really flat the past couple weeks, few weeks actually, with ES and NASDAQ. Man, look at that. ES is pumping. Wow. So who got into US30 here? So US30, the entry was this. Let's see how close. Oh, it hit. Nice. Oh, no, it didn't. It got close. Very, very close. Daniel's in US30. M-Dub, nice. Nice, guys. Good freaking stuff. Try to call it in the wolf pack. Hey, you got to call it in here, man. When I'm live streaming, I'm gonna blame it on you if I miss this win. I just missed it. I glanced over it. I didn't see it. All right. Looks like it just about hit. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, full take profit on US30 there. Yeah, let's go. US30, man. I wish I was celebrating with you guys on that US30 trade. 2 back-to-back TPs. Let's see if we can get 3 here on natural gas and be done. This engulfing candle on NASDAQ is not good. I still want to see this liquidity get taken here. Feeling to take my pro. Oh yeah, yeah. That's the cool thing with the inside bar strategy with oil. I mean, if nothing goes great with exploit, I mean, you could just literally take these. But if I'm making good profits here, I'm probably just not going to trade inside bars for that day. But again, it's totally up to you guys. The biggest thing is just letting these trades play out, right? Like, would it be nice to lock out this 230 right now? Yeah, but I want to let the math. I want to let the math do its thing. Yeah, it looks like the only thing really left to watch here anyways is natural gas. Done with oil, done with ES, US30, NASDAQ took off. So yeah, only thing left. Seeing if we get a velocity trade here. Man, it's just been so slow. So freaking slow. Still just a really ugly engulfing candle here. Oh, Sean, non-pack member, yeah. Yeah, if you want to join the pack, we have like 1 or 2 spots that just opened up. I've been keeping it at a cap of 100. So obviously people are going to leave, and that's totally fine. But if you want to join, Sean, the link to join the Discord is in the description below. Just join the chat, in the general chat. Let me know, hey, you're Sean from the YouTube live stream, and you can submit a little ticket there. And if you want to join, and you'll see everything we do. sure, man. Would love to have you. We always love having people that really want to do this long term, that really just want to learn a skill that they can really build, because that's the best thing with trading. Like I love it so much because you really develop a skill that no one can take away from you. You could be at the bottom, ground zero, and have a skill that you can build yourself back up on, right? You don't have to have a boss. You don't have to ask for permission. This is something that can really change some your life if you really dedicate time and build this skill. But again, so many people, they want to make money from day one, and it just doesn't work like that. Recently retired military guy looking for a purpose and money making opportunities, not looking to have a boss anymore. Nice, Sean. Yeah. So if you know a little bit about me, I got out of the military 2 years ago. I did right under 7 years in the Army. So we got a decent amount of veterans in the pack trade group. Yeah, see Danny. Denny says we got a few vets. Welcome. Yeah, would love to have you. Love having veterans in there. Again, you guys already get it. We already get the struggle, right? So it just makes the learning curve that much easier, especially if you already have the discipline and the mindset of just going through the suck. So yeah, man, totally understand. And this is real trading. This is the real side of trading. What you're seeing right here is literally what real trading looks like. It's not flashy, it's not sexy. It's waiting for the setup to happen, sticking to the math, sticking to the model, just like how you're seeing with this natural gas trade, right? I'm going to show you what a lot of people do and a lot of new traders do when they trade. They see this green number here and they're just like, oh, they get excited. They're like, oh, look, I'm in profit, and they close the trade out, not allowing the math to do the thing, right? And what I mean by the math, I don't know how much you guys know that aren't pack trade members, but if you have a model, it's going to take losses, right? But you want a steady increase in whatever trading model you use. You're going to have losses. You're going to have drawdown. Sometimes it's not going to look perfect like this. Sometimes if you zoom into like one of these troughs, it may look like this. You may get into a little bit of drawdown, but over time, the math is going to take care of you. If you risk $1 to make $2 and you have a 50% win rate, you can do the simple math right there. You will be profitable long term. If you have a 50% win rate, that's the crazy thing with trading. You can literally make money being right half the time. You can make money being right less of the time. You can make money being right 3 to 4 times out of 10. And it blows people's minds when they hear that and think that's possible, but it really is. It's a reality. But beginner traders, they see this green, they see the numbers, they see that, like, I got into profit here and then it went down and they freaked out. And so they closed the trade early. And now what did they do? Let's say you closed the trade here because it went down. You risked $1 to make 33 cents. Does that sound like a smart thing to do? That's just, got to get out of that mindset. You have to let the trade play out. Awesome stuff. Love finding like-minded brothers and sisters. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Not degen garbage. What does a study error mean? Alpha, make sure you're on the right time frame. So if you're looking at my chart, you see how I got the range break indicator here. And also, Sean's another thing, we got custom indicators that we make. So if you're part of the Pack Trade group, you get all the indicators except for velocity for free. But see, like, watch this. So if I go to, like, say the 1 hour, see how it pops up the error. So just make sure you're on the right time frame and it'll go right back to it. You don't even have to delete it. So for velocity, I'm still waiting on us to get back up here. Nice. I just seen your ticket there, Sean. Just Shot you the link. Natural gas is playing with us, man. We got like we're like 2 or 3 ticks away. Yeah, about 3 ticks away from profit. And then done with futures for the day. And then probably done with Forex for the day too. I mean, again, this is just such crazy sideways price action. So for US30, I want to see, before I even look at another entry, I need to see us get up here and attack that liquidity. And then for NASDAQ, same thing. I need us to attack that liquidity before I even look. So, and we got literally, what is this? 9 minutes. So we will see. We will see. Let's take a look at natural gas here. Natural gas is just floating. Seems like another no trade day for Velocity. Yep, I mean, is what it is. There's nothing. I seen someone share a meme. I think it was Carlos today. He shared a meme. It said, I'm about out of it is what it is. And it was like some GIF or whatever. But I mean, that's the market, man. Sometimes you're gonna have just this happen. It's not setting up, you know. But that's why we have a good handful of models within the pack trade group, so that way we don't have to sit here and just die in sideways markets. I mean, to be fair, it's not been that sideways this morning. It just, there's not been an entry that I deem valid here. Again, I want to see a nice engulfing candle, and we just don't have that. We have, again, we had this ugly one here. We had an ugly one here, but it's just nothing that looks high quality to me. Also, if you guys are watching, especially the new people, freaking TradingView is doing an amazing deal. So I tell people this all the time. Wait for Black Friday to get a TradingView account. So literally, they're doing like a 70% off discount right now for the premium plan. It's like $230 for 13 months. Let's see. Such a good deal. So let me drag this over here and you guys can see this. So if you guys are looking at my screen, look at this. $217 for 13 months. Or if you want to pay the $17 a month option, that's amazing. That's really good. And also, if you are an existing trader, so like you already have a TradingView subscription, you can add on to it. So you see how it says extend here? So I have 312 days left on my premium plan. I can literally just extend this for 708 days for literally $217. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. You rarely will see Black Friday deals where it makes too much sense. That makes too much sense. Yeah, plus a free month. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait about 3 or 4 more days, and then I'm going to extend it to just squeeze it out. Is it really going to make that big of a difference? Probably not, but that's me. That's an amazing deal, man. I love premium. You don't have to worry about anything limiting you. You can have all these screens, all these charts on your screen. And also, if you like algorithmic trading, you can do deep back testing, which is what I'm currently working on with a trading bot that I'm building for Velocity. Oh, nice. So I just seen you join, Sean. I'm not sure if you're still in the stream or not. I just seen you joined on here. So give me until, so I usually wrap the streams up in about 5 to 6-ish minutes. Around 10:30 a.m. EST is when I stop. So really appreciate you joining, man. I will send you the welcome message of everything you need to do and kind of like onboard. So that way you're kind of like getting caught up to speed with everything we're doing. The biggest thing to remember, and this is for anybody else that joins as well, I think we have one more spot left before we cap it back to 100, is take this at your own speed. You know, this could take you a month, it could take you 2 months, it could take you 3 months before you even understand what's going on, because we have all the education content in the Discord. Again, you can take notes, take your time, go through everything, because I promise you, man, there's no rush. There's no rush in the trading game. It's just like building a house. The stronger your foundation, the stronger your future is going to be. And same thing with a house, right? Stronger the foundation, the more you can add on top of the house. So if you have a weak foundation, if you're just chasing money, if you're just chasing a get-rich-quick scheme, this is not the place. But if you're changing real trading, understanding the real side of trading, and again, what I say all the time, focusing on what matters, psychology, discipline, and consistency. If you really want, and this doesn't just help you as a trader, like, so many people in the Pack Trade Group, and people, if you guys that are Pack members that are still watching this, please feel free to voice your opinion. I mean, this just helps you become a better entrepreneur. Like, being psychologically and being disciplined, understanding your psychology, what triggers you, your emotional triggers, and being consistent at anything you do. I mean, this stuff is like what we teach and what we go over. It just makes you a better entrepreneur. It makes you a better person. It makes you more aware of yourself. You understand more about yourself. I mean, it's such an amazing feeling developing as a trader, for sure. So really glad to have you, Sean. For the Pack members already, make sure to welcome Sean into the Pack chat there. All right, guys, it is 10:30. Trade window for Velocity is closed. trade window for futures is about to come to an end here. I want to see how natural gas plays out. Man, that was a crazy rejection there. But I'm going to wrap things up, guys. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Again, never revenge trade. Don't give back the profits. We made a really nice trades today, especially if you got into the US30 trade as well. So hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys back here Monday, 8:20 a.m. EST, every single Monday that there's not a holiday. Love you guys. Stay grinding on your goals and never let anyone tell you that you can't do something they have never done for themselves. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.